He stood there calm, composed, and black while the white judge ridiculed him in front of a full courtroom, called him a janitor, laughed in his face. But what she didn't know, he was one signature away from replacing her. The next time he entered that courtroom, it wasn't as a lawyer. It was as her successor. In a crowded Memphis courtroom, attorney Julian Reed stood quietly as Judge Meredith Walker chuckled from a bench. "A black lawyer? You make a better janitor, Mr. Reed," she sneered. The gallery chuckled. Julian didn't. He clenched his fist under the table, eyes fixed, face unreadable. She banged her gavel and dismissed his argument before he could finish. "You're not cut out for real law. Stick to small claims, son." Julian said nothing, but inside his briefcase was a newspaper clipping. Judicial appointment, short list finalized. His name was on it. The next morning, the courtroom was standing room only. Rumors had spread. Spectators whispered. The doors opened and Julian walked in, not in a suit, but in a black judicial robe. The courtroom froze. Judge Walker turned pale. She stumbled backward as the bailiff stood tall. "All rise for the Honorable Judge Julian Reed." Gasps filled the room. Julian sat at the bench, her bench, with slow, deliberate confidence. "Well," he said, tapping the gavel. "Looks like we're reversing roles today." Walker stood in stunned silence as the man she mocked now presided over her former courtroom. "Justice doesn't wear a color," Julian declared, his voice firm. "It wears integrity." Cheers erupted from the gallery. Cameras flashed. The same crowd that once smirked now stood in admiration. Julian wasn't handed this role. He earned it through endless nights, relentless study, and an unbreakable will. The video of the moment went viral. Walker was removed. Julian's appointment sparked reforms in judicial accountability. That day, he didn't just win a seat, he changed the system. If this story moved you, share, and comment to honor every silent warrior who turns mockery into legacy. Drop this comment, respect the bench, and subscribe for more stories where truth sits in power, not prejudice.